And here we have our next project, Triumph Sprint ST1050. It's been having some electrical issues. Looking into Triumphs, I think they're not much better electrical wise than their little Hondas or anyone else, to be honest, but we shall soon find out for ourselves. I'm yet to dig into a Triumph. And one of the main issues he's been having is just for random times it won't start, won't turn over, like turn the key on, and it just won't turn over for him. There's no reason for it, but on top of that now also his charging system's gone out. Naturally these things have some kind of cause, so we've got to investigate the cause before just actually going and replacing any charging system or anything like that. One of the things I do know is an issue with these Triumphs is they've got a thing with the ECU and the starting system, basically meaning that when you turn the key on, if the ECU detects a voltage below a certain threshold, if you try to start it, it will stop you from starting. It will basically just cut off the starting system. Why they put that in I don't know, because if a battery's just low enough and it won't start, simple as. But that one's not got it, the Yamaha's not got it. Never known a bike like it, but I think there's a way I can bypass it, bypass the little thing, and I'll have a go at it and show you doing that. But naturally I think this is going to be a good electrical examination for one, so we're going to need to start taking bits of bodywork off and getting in there and looking around. Find some brakes or corrosion or grubby wire. I believe it's also got an alarm on it, so that just complicates things even more, but yeah. Start stripping it and get into the guts of the systems. Hopefully next time you join me. Let's have some bodywork off. Till next time.